Let's move on to Chartbusters. Kunal and Nooresh joining right back in to discuss some of their top recommendations and what they are picking out. And Nooresh, let's begin with you.
So it's a chart for EPL Limited, a stock which has gone sideways for the longest period and has been lower over the last 2 years as well, corrected from 280 odd levels all the way to 180. Finally, yesterday the stock saw volume jump up of 5 to 10x, a price tag of 5 to 10%, and giving a short-term breakout. This indicates bottom is done, and we are setting up for a move towards 225 to 260 in the short to medium term. So buy at current levels with the stop loss at 184.
Let's get in your Chartbuster call.
Well, that's on Jubilant Food, and interestingly, the stock is showing signs of a major bottom formation over here. So after a sharp drubbing over the last 4-5 months, where the stock sold off from 580 odd levels towards 400, 420 odd mark, this was the major support the stock tested in the mid of March. The stock has now gone through a double test of the key support. So in technical terms, we call it as a double bottom formation, and a series of pattern, which was a pattern of lower highs and lower lows, that has now gotten breached for Jubilant Food. We've seen this breakout for the stock around this 455, 460 odd levels, and then coupled with this double bottom formation, I would believe that we could be at a cusp of a turnaround of sorts for the stock. And from here on, the next set of targets, or the first set of targets which comes into the stock, is closer to this target point, which is around 510, 515 mark for Jubilant Food. So a short-term trade could be developed over here. 420 could be kept as a key medium-term stop loss for the stock, and on the upside, we could be looking at 510 as a first target for Jubilant Food.
Okay, let's talk stocks as well. Nooresh, what's on your list?
So first is a buy on ITC Limited, which is short-term range breakout out here. Stop loss at 435, target price of 460. Second is a buy on Oberoi Realty, which is setting up for a breakout into new 52-week highs. Stop loss at 1500, target price of 1650.
And Kunal, your stocks?
So I'll go with two buy calls. ITC is the first stock which I would suggest as a buy. After quite some time, the stock breaking out and forming a bullish flag formation. So targets of 456, stop loss at 434. And Prince Pipes is the other name, which is also heading towards a breakout of a swing resistance. So targets of 666, stop loss at 618.
Okay, thanks Kunal as well as Nooresh. We'll speak to you later in the day.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.